Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common dock maintenance for your DREAME L10s Ultra Gen 2. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, here's our station and dock. We're going to open up the top. That's going to reveal our dirty and clean water tanks, which are removable. We'll get to those here in a second. But what I want you to see up here at the top is with this little tiny drain hole there. So make sure that's free from any clogs. Make sure there's no obstructions on any of these ports too. And you can wipe down anything in there as needed, but keep an eye on those for any obstructions and that little drain hole down at the bottom. Next up, we have our clean and dirty water tanks. For the clean water tank, not much to it. Just fill it up once it's empty. I guess if you really want to, every once in a while, you can wash and rinse this out. Use some dish soap or something like that if you really felt the need to do that with the clean water tank. For the dirty water tank, absolutely you want to make sure that you're emptying this after every use or else it'll start to smell really bad. You can put like a retainer cleaning tablet in here. I like to put a little bit of mouthwash myself, but you can add something along those lines to help if you don't want to empty this after every use and you want that water to sit in there for a little while. Again, if you don't, it'll really stink. Don't worry though, if you let it go for a while and it stinks, just grab a cleaner with some bleach in it and that will get rid of that odor for good, so it doesn't matter. Trust me, I've left some of these for a long time and you're able to get that smell away if you use a cleaner with some bleach in it. But make sure you're staying up to date on the dirty water tank, keeping this clean. All right, from the top, we're moving down towards the bottom. We have a removable cover. It just pulls out of the way. That reveals our solution tank right here. So when this is empty, just grab some more cleaning solution and fill that up. Not much to it there. And when your vacuum bag is full, discard the old one. You'll want to pull that out and make sure that this lid is shut so it's not going to empty the contents around the room as you move the bag around. You can use compressed air in here. You can inspect this hole and channel for any clogs or debris with your finger if you feel like it. And then you can take your new bag and just line it up just like so and gently put it back in there. And then for this cover, it's just going to line up this side for the solution tank, this side for the dust bag, your text on the right side there in the corner, and you're going to have that cover back on. Now at the very bottom, we have our self-empty here, so you can make sure that's free from clogs. We have our charging contacts. Make sure those are working properly, and you can wipe down the sensor as needed. They make maintenance down at the bottom very easy. This tray is removable, so it just comes right out. And now with the tray removed, you can wash and rinse it out under the sink. They have this little guy too. You can flip up to make sure that there's no debris clogging any of this. That would be an area that you want to keep an eye on, that nothing is blocking that so we can suck the dirty water back out. But this tray is removable, washable, and then it just goes right back in there. And then if your ramp's really dirty, you can just pop this off, just snaps in, and you can rinse the ramp off as well. But that's it for a station that carries the weight. It's simple and straightforward to maintain long term.